Hello friends, welcome to ERA Creative. I'm going to introduce an AI tool which can create quiz of its own. I felt excited and interesting and thought of introducing to you. And this is a very helpful tool for educators. Here I'm talking about Conker. Let me tell you how it works. First you need to go to Google browser, type conker.ai. You will be directed to a new tab. Log in through your Gmail account. Once you log in, you will find a new page. Click on Create and type any topic that you want. As I am a science educator, I am going to type on the topic Plant Kingdom. Click on Next. Here you can choose any type of questions. You can decide the number of questions that you want to give for your students, either 5 or 10. Then select the grade level and then go to the reading material. There you can either type or copy paste the content based on the topic that you have chosen. Click on Generate. You will get the questions generated with answers provided. You can go through the questions which is created by AI. Even you can click in the preview section to check how the question look like for the students. Click on the exit preview. Once everything is done, click on Share. Then click on Forms. Select Open Quiz in Google Forms. A Google form has been generated here. This you can share it with your students. If you want to share, then you need to select the Send option. Click on the link. You can shorten the URL, copy and paste. This way you can share it with your students. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.